Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about starting a business from home, but you're not sure what's realistic or profitable, today's video is for you. I'm breaking down home-based business ideas you can start with low costs, flexible hours, and real income potential. These ideas are perfect if you're trying to create extra income, replace a job, or finally work for yourself. So let's jump right in. First up is print on demand, or POD. This is one of the easiest online businesses to start because you don't need inventory, equipment, or design skills to get going. Here's how it works. You create designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, pretty much anything. You upload them to a POD platform like Printful, Printify, or Sellfy. When someone buys your design, the company prints the product and ships it for you. Your job is simply to create designs and market them. Canva or Kittl can be used to create designs. This business is ideal for those who love creativity, social media, or building a brand. You can target niches like teachers, fitness lovers, pet owners, gamers. The more specific, the better. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Next up, and this one is always in demand, a home childcare service. If you enjoy working with kids and you have the right space, this can be a rewarding and highly profitable business. Demand for childcare has skyrocketed, and many parents prefer small, home-based daycare settings because they feel more personal, flexible, and affordable. What you need to get started: check your local regulations and licensing requirements. Child safety equipment and age-appropriate supplies. Clean, organized space with learning or play areas. Basic certifications like CPR/first aid, often required. You can offer full-time care, part-time slots, after-school care, or even a babysitting service during evenings and weekends. Why it works: parents need reliable care. If you're trustworthy, organized, and create a safe environment, word of mouth alone can quickly fill your schedule. And business idea number 3, pet services, which includes pet sitting, dog walking, grooming, training, or even creating pet content for social media. Pet owners spend billions of dollars each year to ensure their furry family members are safe and happy. If you love animals, this business can be fun, flexible, and profitable. Ways to get started: offer dog walking or drop-in visits using apps like Rover or Wag. Start a small grooming service, if trained. Provide vacation pet sitting from your home. Sell pet-themed products or homemade treats. Offer pet photography if you're creative. This business is especially great if you live in a walkable neighborhood or an area with a lot of pet owners. So those are 3 home-based business ideas you can start right away, each with low startup costs and lots of flexibility. So, which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. There is a link below to my blog for more tips and ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more videos on making money from home and building your own business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.